The CandyLipz Lip Plumper is a one-of-a-kind. It is a hand-operated lip enhancer powered by an ancient Chinese cupping suction technique that uses negative pressure to enlarge the lips. CandyLipz has a flexible silicone bladder built with a specific firmness, safe for lip enhancement. This element allows users to compress and release the plumper at comfortable levels. Lips are enhanced in compartmentalized fixed volume. CandyLipz has a built-in patented extreme lip shaper system designed to work on 15 anatomical lip zones, including the philtral column and corners of the mouth. You can create two fun looks, single-lobed and double-lobed. The double-lobed look creates a cute dent on the lower lip. The central platform has many functions. It compartmentalizes the upper and lower lips. It is a blocker holder, allowing users the option to work on each lip separately if desired. The central platform is necessary for evening out grooves along the underside of the upper lip, and it keeps the top of the lower lip from overexpanding. The upper chamber has a curvaceous arch which includes the formation of the Cupid's bow. The back wall and slit reduce negative pressure strength. These elements slow the enlargement process as the upper lip tends to expand faster than the lower lip. CandyLipz is not a tube. Engineered elements work in concert, guiding the lips to form beautifully and smoothly in each and every lip enhancement session. Fun and easy to use anytime and anywhere.
Today I'm bringing you guys a review of the CandyLipz Lip Plumper. This gets your lips really big no matter how small they are, because mine were really small to begin with. If you use it for a while, then it actually gets your lips bigger, and you don't have to keep plumping them. And that's what it's done to me, because mine were so much smaller than what they are now. They're still pretty small, but they're a little bit bigger than what they were. And I haven't plumped them yet. The first couple times that you use it, you're probably gonna get some bruising on your top lip. First few days that I got it, and it's nothing concealer can't fix, but your lips get used to it because my lips don't bruise anymore. I feel like this is way too big for me, but I'm just playing around with it to show you guys that it can get your lips really big. My lips were so much smaller, and yeah, these are a bit too big to my liking. I like them a bit smaller, but these will work too.
So this is the box that it came in. 2 minutes, and so you're supposed to gently wiggle it off. I can tell that it's definitely a little bit plumper. It didn't hurt at all throughout the process. I've been hanging out for a few minutes just kind of seeing how my lips were doing. Still no pain or anything like that, which I'm very grateful for, because I honestly was a little bit freaked out. They do feel like a tightening effect, but especially my bottom lip, to me, I can tell a very noticeable difference. My top lip, yes, I can see a difference, but not as noticeable as my bottom lip. After testing out this little guy, that's going to do it for this video. The CandyLipz Lip Plumper really does work. I didn't find it to be painful on the lips, which I think is great.
So this is where you put your bottom and your top lip. Is the 3-minute mark, and I feel like this was just way too exaggerated. I can't believe how huge my lips look. Hopefully this will die down. I absolutely am in love.